I've been doing a water marathon of unboxing. Look, 3 left to go. 3 left to 3 festival for 3 more interesting things. Not opened this one yet. I know what it is, but I know. £25 BF109. 25 quid to my door. 1 battery. Gyro. 3 channels. I thought it was 4 channels. It's 3 channels. EPP. The usual goodness. Good start. It's a nice box. Doesn't say it's made by. I never say they're made by these things, do they? Just generic Chinese company. I think they just put a name on it and churn them out, didn't they? Alright, so this is in between the 15 quid little ones with the little toy grey controller and the 35 quid one with the nice Xbox controller thing. This one's a little bit in the middle, and you can see why. This is why they've cheaped out on the radio. The radio's a little bit cheaper. Oh my god. 3 props. That's wicked. Proper elevator. That's a nice looking model. Tidy as well. Very nice indeed. This is in between the tiny little kiddie one and the adult one. It's nice size. Kids will be able to use this and fly it. Whether they'll be able to fly this or not, it doesn't matter. Looks pretty slick though, doesn't it? Wow, that battery's wedged in there. Holy. God, there's literally millimeters spare. Ridiculous. Right, once you get the wire out, not too bad. Landing gear is pretty nice. Oh, you don't get no spare. You don't get no spare big prop at the front. You only get the spare 2 little ones. That's a bit rubbish, isn't it? I wonder if this is just for looks. Yeah, it's got to be, innit? Or they'd have sent you spare ones, surely. Joking. Triple A's again. Oh no. We have batteries. We have light. It's a good start. God. wedge that in there. Radio on. Plane on. Full throttle. No throttle. We're bound. Hey. Gyro's working nice. Got a sweet little elevator. Yeah, look, more elevator. Little elevator, that'll be the gyro. And double bleed, big elevator. Yeah, it's just for looks. It's got some power as well, guys. Wow. Yeah, that's just for looks. Manual. It's a Z series. I think there's a few of these. £25. The manual's not very good, but it just says high and low speed. But yeah, I could see that by the elevator. I didn't know it was more speed. Doesn't say anything about fitting the landing gear. I think I can't even work out how to get the landing gear on. If I do, I'll let you know. What's that? But the landing gear. It's a pretty nice little design. See that little black thing there? The screw in the middle of it. Got to lay that the landing gear down, nearly flat, and then push it to the rear like that. Let's see, it's in there. Bosh. And then the little one just. Not like that. There we go. There she is. Landing gear's on. Whether we'll use the landing gear or not, I don't know. I don't like the way that it presses in. I mean, it's okay, it works, but whether it's gonna, it doesn't look straight to me. So Hodley's a bit drunk. Anyway, probably be a hand launcher. We'll try and take off from the ground. Give it a go, eh? What's the worst that could happen? Well. Let's try this little baby, shall we? You're in. We are in. Oh. Try this little baby, shall we? And hope she comes home in one piece. That's very, very windy. Got stabilisation though. good, shouldn't we? Woo! Wind is strong. 15 mph wind. Oh. Please come home, little beauty. Ready? Ah! Oh my god. Uh-oh. It's alright guys, yay! front prop and just look, it doesn't spin. Yeah, turning circle's alright, it's doing well in this wind. I don't know if I can. Whoa, what's going on? What have I done? Nothing. Getting a bit hit, battered by the wind. I don't know if I can turn this gyro off. Really well. Whoa. Whoa. Closed it. Holy crap. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's got stabilisation and it works well. Let's just flat out into the wind, look. Look at that. No hands. That is stable. Whoa! You try and turn. This is crazy wind though. It's about 15 mph wind. This little plane. It's doing well. It's just like that. Whoa. Don't want to jinx it. Looks great in the air as well. I love the yellow. The yellow's popping. Hopefully you can see it. It's not too far away. Here she comes. Yeah, baby. Whoa. Whoa. Get up. Keep forgetting. Oh, the other two channels now. I've got elevator. Time's good. Oh. Got slammed there by the wind. It does come with landing gear. I wonder if I can turn that stabilisation off. Oh, it's still on. I think that's speed. turn the gyro off on this one. I think it's just a 1 speed, 2 speed on the top. To be fair, I don't really notice any difference. Yeah, look at that yellow. That's popping. Whoa. It's lovely when there's no wind. That's lovely. Well, it's lovely anyway, but yeah, much better when there's no wind. Look at that yellow. Pop. Whoa. 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 Fly by. A lot of woes going on, isn't there? Because it's a little bit woe, it's a little bit way. Whoa, uh-oh. Oh, thought I was closer to the trees than what I actually was then. Got a bit panicky. Whoa, uh-oh. Oh. How the hell do I survive that? Holy crap. How the hope you saw that on camera, that was low. It gets a bit gangly when you turn it into the wind, especially when it's 15-20 mile wind. Yeah, it's, you're asking a bit much of it. It weighs nothing and it's one cell. But look at it when there's no wind. It flies beautiful. And when it goes into that wind, tiny little thing, one cell, brushed, weighs nothing. Fly it into your grandma and she would just brush it off. It's that light. Whoa, easy. Battery's great again. That's what I'm finding with these little 1 cells. Battery time's brilliant. Little brushed, little can. In a minute. Whoa. The trees. Another great success. Another highly recommended 1 cell, under 50 quid. 3 channel this one, so you've got elevator, differential thrust, whoa, stabilisation, comes with a radio. I think it was about 40 quid, wasn't it, this one? With battery, with 1 or 2 batteries. It wasn't much. It's under 50. Whoa! Whoa! Holy crap. How the hell have I done that again? Wow, I thought it was going to be written off. It's still going. We're still going. Yeah, another highly recommend. There's a series of these, and then there's the actual 4 channel ones. I've seen them fly, and And they're a bit like this one. If you turn the stabilisation off, it flies like a bit of crap. But with the stab on it, they fly great. And there's a little Focke-Wulf 190, Spitfire, Trojan, there's everything. There's a whole range, there's a Zero. Obviously it'd be great to get them all flying, but they're all about 60 quid each. But they're 4-channel. You get proper ailerons, gyro, elevator, throttle, I think, rudder. I'm not sure. Rudder. Definitely gyro, ailerons, elevator, real ailerons. That's good and bad, it's just another thing to go wrong, isn't it? So you've got the differential thrust, it's easy fix, new little can, and you're going again. I think we're finally running out, guys. I've finally killed the battery. Whoa. Can I get back round? Whoa. Whoa! Pushed me luck a bit too much then, didn't I? One too many whoas. Now we can go around. Little capture. Little capture. Come on, baby. Little BF109. Whoa. Ah, so close. Try again. It's a bit high. Wingtip, wingtip. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This was epic. BF109. Absolutely banging. Gyro works good. These little cheap models. Again, for the price, I thought that would spin round a bit more, but yeah, it doesn't. It just stays where it is really in flight. I thought that would freewheel, that'd probably create a bit of drag, wouldn't it? Don't know. Don't know enough about the aerodynamic side of it. But yeah. Oh! There's the box. It's the BF109 3-channel gyro system, EPP, beginner level. It sure is. I would, yeah, it is. Absolutely recommend this for a beginner. Like your warbirds, go grab yourself one of these. 40 quid with battery, or maybe even 2 batteries. Can't remember now. Happy days.